Hey, what is going on YouTube? Hope you all are having a wonderful day. Let's get to some tips for fishing any water condition. So first, it's going to be tips for shallow water. For shallow water and murky water, I prefer soft baits like tubes, Texas rig, like using Sangos, or basically any soft plastic for shallow murky water. So let's dive into some tips so you guys will know what type of color should I use for fishing in a shallow murky water. Well, if it's an overcast day, I would use bright colors like green, blue, or even yellow. What type of reel should I use for using soft plastic lures in shallow murky water? Well, I prefer bait casting reels. Why? Because you can feel all the action and all the bites. So if you want a slow reel, the best would be a 6.1 gear ratio reel, or if you want a fast reel, that's ratio would be 7.1 or higher gear ratio is considered fast. What type of lure should you use for a fast gear ratio reel? Well, I got you covered. The best lures for a fast gear ratio reel are a lipless crankbait, a jerk bait, or any type of jigs. So there you have it for lures for fast gear ratio reels. If you're fishing for big boys like carp, make sure you have a net and gloves because you're gonna need that. And I'll see you on the next one. And take it easy. Peace.